There we go. A T-Max Pro 15. Completely rebuilt. It was like empty engine block. Brand new bearings. Everything's all original. So you want to see some compression. You want to see some power. Shit, yeah. Unplug that. She walked a little bit. Yeah, that's it, man. Back from the dead. Electric start, easy start, what you want to, whatever you want to call it. Completely rebuilt. Pro 15. It's going back into T-Max. Man, that sound freaking strong, real strong. A lot of compression. Can't wait to get this thing in the truck. Get it all buttoned up. Take it for a rip. Stay tuned. We're gonna probably get into just pull that whole nitro star. Just pull that out completely apart. I don't like the compression on that. There's a little sneak peek of the original Nitro Rush shell. That's in pretty much, flawless condition. Not beat up. Wasn't bashed or nothing. But yeah. Here's the work bar. So I'm actually working my workstation. My workbench is my grandfather's bar. A little bit. I'll show you my setup. Heat gun. Gotta keep that handy, especially gotta heat them. Get old bearings out, and then get the engine block out again. Get new bearings in. But yeah, let's drop this back one more time. Plug this up. Run it on 3000 Venom. Why not one more go at it, just for the power and the compression. Go. Yep. It's all my stuff here. Tools to get the job done. Get yourself some of this. This is a good after run oil. Gotta keep these nitro engines, lubricated and oiled good. Alright. I'll throw this one up on the channel. But yeah, today was a good day.